Hello viewers, Aslam from Ladies Flex. So in this video, how we can create a sub account in GoHighLevel 2025. It's super easy, few steps. So let's dive in agency and I will show you how we can do this. Super easy, just go to sub accounts and I will go to create account here, and here we have different snapshot, but we are not going to use any snapshot here. I will say it's my snapshot, imported snapshot. Here you can see all snapshot, but I am going with the blank one. So you need to select your area. I'm not going to select this area. I'm going to do manual here, and the first name is right now client provide me just the website name. So here what we are going to do, I would like to say go to about. No, I'm going to use this name for instant now. Lenny outdoor. That's their website name. So here you can see Lenny Outdoor, and I just put their email here, and I just take email here for now and go back, put email here and put the business name that I have already copied. That's the business name. We need to put all these things here as well, but right now I'm not going to put anything here. You can put according to your business, and you can put your city. We need to put this address. I will say it's Manchester. Let's confirm address from the website. This is the address for now, and we are going to use this one. City say Alabama. State is Maryland. It's just dummy information for now. And for website I'm going to use this one, and after that I will say it's this time zone, and simple easy. Just create the account here, use the business phone number. I'm going to use this dummy one, or we can use, here is the number. Okay, just create the sub account. So that's it, how we created sub account. So right, as you go to the sub account, here you can see we have two sub account. One is this one and other one is this one. So I'm going to utilize this one for now. I just simply go here and I will log in Lanyard. So that's it, how we can create sub account in a GoHighLevel.